Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Blinq app, a modern digital business card tool designed to help users share contact information quickly and professionally. This video explains how the Blinq app works, its key features, pros and cons, real user feedback, and whether it's worth trying out. Blinq is a digital networking app that lets users create personalized digital business cards. Once set up, a user can share their card via QR code, link, or widget without needing the other person to download the app. Blinq is particularly popular among professionals, event attendees, and businesses that want a paperless and contactless way to connect. The app offers customization for business cards with profile images, job titles, social media links, and even branding for teams. Blinq also integrates with Apple Watch and has widgets that let users place the QR code right on their lock screen or home screen. Another useful feature is its CRM integration, where new contacts can be synced with tools like Salesforce and HubSpot, which is helpful for sales teams. Some advantages of using Blinq include its user-friendly interface, seamless sharing options, and the fact that it eliminates the need for printed cards. Users also mention the convenience of having everything in one place and how it helps make professional interactions faster. On the downside, a few reviewers noted that some customization features and integrations are locked behind the paid version. Others have reported occasional sync issues with certain CRM platforms. Recent user feedback has been mostly positive. Many say the app has made networking at events smoother and more efficient. One user wrote that they love being able to share their card instantly without worrying if the other person had the app. However, another mentioned that the design templates could be more flexible and hope for future updates to expand design options. In conclusion, Blinq offers a fast and professional way to share contact details, especially for those in business or sales environments. While the free version offers plenty for individual users, business teams may benefit most from the paid tier. If you're looking for a convenient digital business card tool with smart sharing options, Blinq is worth considering. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.